We are here at the Animal Kingdom in Disney World, Florida. The energy entering the park was amazing. We were welcomed by the cheerful staffs. The very first thing you would encounter is the Tree of Life. It is a man made tree and it has a carvings of around 325 animals around it. It is definitely an amazing piece of art. Due to pandemic, all the Disney fast passes have been cancelled and there is a park reservation that is mandatory right now. Our very first stop was the Cali River Rapids. This is a fun raft ride which kids would definitely enjoy, and keep in mind that the potential for getting soaked is incredibly high in this, so don't miss it out. Ride begins with your raft going up 90-foot hill on a conveyor belt. As soon as you get to the top, the rest of the ride consists of just descents. Some are slow and winding and some are sharp and quick. The final drop splashes around 20 to 30 feet. Our next stop was Kilimanjaro Safaris. This is a open air safari to witness some of the best African wildlife. This is the biggest Disney park attraction in the world. This attraction solely covers 20% of the entire Animal Kingdom park. Our next stop was the Expedition Everest. This is the best roller coaster ride in the animal kingdom. There is always a very high demand for this ride and long queues, so try to knock this out pretty soon after you enter the park. This is a thrill roller coaster ride. It spans for 4 minutes and it reaches a top speed of 50 miles per hour. Do enjoy the video with us. The Rafiki's Planet Watch, especially if you have little ones. You take a short ride in the Wildlife Express train to reach the conservation station. There is a petting zoo where kids tend to have good interaction with the animals. This place also showcases various animals such as reptiles, invertebrates, and amphibians. It's a nice indoor place for kids to see this species up close. There is also a veterinary treatment room where you can get a glimpse of procedures done to animals up close. Dinoland was our next stop. This section has some of the very good rides for kids. If you are looking for some relaxations in between and if you have kids, do check out It's Tough to Be a Bug 3D experience. This show is located at the base of the Tree of Life. You could see a lot of carvings on your way to the show. Cameras are not allowed for this 3D show, unfortunately. The best section is the Pandora World of Avatar. We are on our way to the Navi River Journey ride. It is an amazing ride and I would rate it as a best ride in the park. Do click the link above if you want to witness the Avatar Flight of Passage ride, as it is a separate video. This ride 4.5-minute cruise through the colorful glowing jungle of Pandora. Hope you all enjoyed the video alongside us. Do like the video and share it, and please subscribe to our channel.